tell people, one of my weakness is once my mouth open, then bala 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 continues. Most welcome, Parliamentary Group. Thank you. For 59 years, Dharamsala is my home. So this building also I constructed. So therefore, I welcome you visit my home.
So this is your residence. This is your residence.
Yeah. Yes. And then also, see, since my childhood, I always say admire democracy. So India is most populated democratic country.
Yeah.
Then moreover, we over 1,000 years, you see, we study the ancient Indian knowledge, the Nalanda knowledge. 8th century, Chandra Rakshita, Raja Ramana, nuclear physicist. He once told me, the quantum physics in the West, something new. In this country, over 2,000 years, that concept already developed. He mentioned that. That's very true.
Gayakwad, Ambedkar was the Brahmin. So he appreciated.
So now, recently, I noticed one Indian guru.
Rajaram, C.S. Rajaram in Chilkur Temple in Hyderabad.
He promoting, you see, equality of all Kasada, caste, Kasada, low caste. That's very good, very good. You see, the caste system, although part of, we may say part of Indian culture, but that I think outdated cultural heritage must change.
Sir, I want to thank you regarding that you are running many medical centers, Tibetan medical centers.
And some great Indian master of Nalanda, they also wrote some medical text like that. So it is our duty. So I think because there are some patients, so we have the opportunity to open clinic. If there's no patient, then no work.
Patients are there.
And they will be there always.